All right, here we are, the Shotgun Hard Scramble. Me and my boy Chase are gonna go take a little lappy lap around the course, probably dip in and out of some of the good sections. Let's see what we can get into. All right, here we go. Out of the field, quick right-hander, and into the woods. And then another quick right onto some single track. Ooh, it's slippery. These low spots are all filled with water. A lot of this has had a few seasons on it, so the course is not broken in yet. So I would say make sure that you read these arrows carefully, especially off the start, because reading this course is actually pretty difficult right out of the gate. One thing that I've found here is a lot of the trees block your ability to view. Starting to get chunky. Oh yeah, it's chunky in here. This single track is beat in, I suppose, and right as you cross this road here, this launches you into a lot of just large, chunky rock riding. Here we go. I'd say do everything you can to keep it moving through here and stay on the foot pegs. Try to stay on top of the big rocks, try to miss the holes, and just keep it moving. You never let your hair down here. This whole half of the course on the east side of the power line road will only be ridden one time. All right, this is important. You're gonna do this half of the course. We'll drop back down. We'll come through the enduro cross track, and then you'll go back out to complete your first lap. Then when you come back through and head out for your second lap, you will only go on the west side of the course, which is the dark hollow side of the property. They'll have more details on this at the riders meeting, but just something to remember. I'll touch base with you when we get to another important part of the course. Okay, so shortly after the start, it wasn't marked anymore, so we're gonna pick it back up. You're gonna come down, go through the enduro cross track, and then you're gonna head back out to continue your lap one. Risky. Take you through a little spin through the enduro cross track here. They got a new hanging log. Awesome. We're gonna head on up towards stairway. Oh, that's deep. And a few other key obstacles of this race course. Oh boy, it's like a swamp in here. Man. Kind of like how tight and technical this is. Ow! Never know how deep these holes are going to be. Better to have a little momentum. Man, these trees are so... Ooh. I mean... Ooh, this looks like it gets pretty chunky right here. Dang. Overgrown rock section? Okay. Soft, it's super soft through here. Marshland. So many different things coming at you, it's hard to keep the speeds up. Logs, rocks, leaves. Hidden danger, danger, danger. No crocodiles here, that's the good news. Okay, I'll keep you posted when we get to stairway. All right, we made it to stairway. Let's check it out. Dang. Underneath these leaves is brutally slick. See if we can get up on top of some of these bigger rocks. Keep it moving through here. Nice little zigzag here. Lots of leaves covering everything that you want to see. It's slick in here. Man, trying to get a little run at this ledge and can't even get going. That big rain and now everything is just brutally slick. Can't even move 3 inches. Oh, you want to get a run? Ha 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 ha. That's funny. Do some switchbacks. Snake! Tiny little snake. Look out, snake. Some action coming your way. try and clean this. All the rocks move, and all the rocks are slick. It's essential. Not easy. The course isn't marked anymore, but rocks. So it's not marked, but on your way back down the mountain from Stairway, we have a section called Dominatrix. Like I said, we don't have any markings, but Chase and I are gonna do our best to check this out. Keep going straight, probably. Just a little dog leg. I remember this. Some steep stuff. I wonder if we can just balance our way down this. I bet we can. Let's try it. Oh man! It picks up speed quick! At least we got stopped. Man, it's these leaf holes that are scaring me. Now, I don't know exactly where the course goes, but the next section here is called Rattlesnake. Apparently they have some big timber East Coast rattlesnakes here. Alright, I'm here at the bottom of Tombstone. For time purposes, we're going to make this a short. I'm going to take the easy way around. What the hell was that? Bro, that was weird. Alright, pretty sure at the top of Tombstone here. I see this log, I remember. Check it out, see if we can get over this thing without too much trouble. Hey, at least it's sunny. right here. Oh yeah. Yep. 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 Oh yeah. We're getting there. We're going to the top, baby. All right. We got a big downhill. Let's check it out. Big loose rocks. Just brutal terrain here at the Shotgun Hard Scramble. It's still better than it was first year that we were here. Where's my arrows, boys? Says straight, but oh, there's one. This turn is frustrating. go up this way instead of this. This looks terrible. Okay, I'll hit you back when I get up this 3-foot section. I finally got out of that little hole I was in. I think I'm gonna rip right up this now. Ah! Wrong. Really? World class struggles here. Just gigantic rocks moving everywhere. Can't even stand here. Chase found the shortcut. All right, you come down the big hill next to the river, then we shoot back up into the woods. Let's check it out. Wow, that got washed out yesterday. Yeah, boys, could use a trim job there. And then we go up to Council Bluffs. All right, I believe this to be our final hill climb here at Dark Hollow. Let's check it out. Brutal. We had just wreaked havoc on this terrain. Making it just so brutal. Alright. Steep downhill. This is dangerous. This bank down here almost makes it sketchier. Came by here the other day. It said that they had worked on this and made it more rideable. But man, it's looking difficult here. Okay. All right, here we are, Shotgun Hard Scramble 2024. Josh is freaking stoked. We're down here in Dark Hollow. I'm gonna go ride some of the gnarlier parts of this course. The boys are gonna watch me and follow along. Let's get it. Okay, come down from that hillside. Parallel this creek for a minute. Oh, look at this. Oh. Dang, this is deep. Pretty deep water here.
It's deep there. I would almost try to get over here.
This is cool. Let's go left line. Dang. Chunky, chunky. Yeah. Oh, okay. I think things are about to get gnarly here. Ah. Log got me. Let's do this the old-fashioned way. Great. Brutal. Right back down. There's so much tree fall here since last year. Incredible. Little hard enduro trick. I like to turn the bike off going down steep hills. That way if I gotta take my right foot off, I can use the clutch as a rear brake basically. Oh! Oh! I sucked in a bug. Where do I go? Down and then up? Or can I side hill this? Here, I got a side hill it. Brutal markings here. This is definitely some of the most frustrating terrain I've ever ridden. These rocks move. You know what, let's go back down. Back up again. This section sucks. I mean, they don't tell you to go to the bottom. It's like one marking at the top pointed downhill and then nothing until this next side hill where I am. So a couple arrows would be good here, boys. God damn! There's no markings here, FYI. Falling apart. I gotta turn around. It brings you all the way down, but the last marking until this one is like 6 miles up the hill. This is a brutal hill climb. Okay, so the actual trail brings you right down this. Makes total sense. Man, the first riders through here are going to be breaking serious ground trying to get through here.